Click my link to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing for free.
Click my link to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing for free.
Click my link to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing for free.
It's the same ad with a different face. I have taken 10 free trainings this week. I understand what you're going through. Where did you come from? Came from your subconscious need to make money from home. Your brain is experiencing what's called analysis paralysis syndrome. It's brought on by repetitive guruness free training disorder. What does that mean? It means that you're perfectly normal, but like thousands of other people you need to do something that actually works. You may not like the answer, but I'm going to give it to you anyway. The truth is, you understand that in order to be successful you have to follow a proven system. What you don't understand is that proven does not mean copied, it means modeled. And because they were free, you have basically taken the same training 10 times from 10 different people who are saying 10 different things the same exact way. That's the repetitive guruness free training disorder, and it has made you 100 times more confused than when you first started, which is what causes the analysis paralysis syndrome. The solution to this problem is, first you have to stop taking free training courses. It's okay to watch the intro training, but you will have to pay for the actual system. Second, you have to model the system of success used in that system. Do not copy it. For example, this video is modeling a proven system, not copying it. It is unlike any other video you have ever seen before, so it breaks the cycle of repetitiveness. Third, understand that those 10 people may have learned from the same person, but focus on different aspects of their proven system to make you think it's something different. Last thing is to comprehend the first 3 things I have said, then click the link to learn from my mentor, who is probably the same person that taught them. As you can see, I didn't create a course because that would be pointless. He has created the blueprint, I just modeled it. So click the link and follow the steps. Remember this: in order to reap a harvest you have to first sow a seed. Or in other words, a closed hand for giving is also a closed hand for receiving.